Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to see active friends on Instagram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app. And when you check in here, as you can see that there's no active status at the upper part of my screen. Okay, to activate that, you want to click on your profile picture at the lower right corner of your screen. Click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see messages and story replies. Now, click on show activity status, and you need to make sure that show activity status is enabled. Okay, so now let's go back, and when you check here again, you should see the active status at the upper part of your screen. Okay, so right there. So that's it. That is how you see active friends on Instagram using your mobile device. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.